In this lesson, we will see together the negative pronouns, but more precisely, we will see ne, aucun. So the first thing that we need to define is the negative pronouns. So these pronouns indicate the absence of something. These negative pronouns are typically used with ne in a similar way to ne pas. So remember, this is the negative form, ne pas. So it means that instead of pas, we will use the negative pronouns. So we will have ne and then your negative pronoun here. So this lesson is about ne, aucun. And the negative pronoun ne, aucun can be translated into English as none, not any, or no. Keep in mind that aucun here is the masculine form, so it means that it will be connected to masculine nouns. So we'll see some examples. I hope it will be more clear. Je ne vois aucun problème avec cette solution. Je ne vois aucun problème avec cette solution. So as you can see here, we put aucun here because problème is a masculine noun. So we connect it to the masculine and it must be the masculine form, aucun. Il n'a aucun regret. Il n'a aucun regret. Nous n'avons aucun souci à propos de ce projet. Nous n'avons aucun souci à propos de ce projet. Elle ne possède aucun meuble. Elle ne possède aucun meuble.